today's video, sorry guys, in today's video, we're going to be making slime. So, yeah. So, I'm here with my sister.
They can't see you. They can't see you.
Me?
No, they can't see her.
Well, here's my sister, but she doesn't want to see. So, what we're going to be using is this. I'm going to be using this with the straw. She's going to be using her container with the spoon. And then I have my container back here. Then we're going to be using our gallons of glue. And then we're going to be using we're gonna be using Gain to activate it. So before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, share. So yeah, so let's get on to the video. So first thing you do is pour the glue. She's gonna be using clear, I think, or both. She's gonna be using clear and white, and I'm just gonna be using white. Yeah. It's like a huge gallon of glue.
Hey, you're covering the whole camera. Not the whole.
Be quiet. So sorry about the noise. Next thing you do is you could mix it, or you just want to go on to the next step. I usually just mix it. Sorry. The next thing I do is I add Gain. Gain is right at the top. Sorry. I always make big slimes for some reason, guys.
I used all my white glue.
Here, show me the stress ball.
No. So here's a stretch ball that my brother made. I'm selling them for 25 cents, but if you want to get a color of your balloon, it's 5 cents extra. I'm not gonna go in with my hands yet because I don't really like to get my hands that dirty. Down on the link, just make sure it's I'm gonna be putting. Just make sure you go check out Best Brother and Sister Forever. Just make sure you subscribe to her. My sister already got dirty. Now it's my turn to get dirty a little bit. I like to mix it in the bowl after all the Gain is gone a little bit. I get mixed up with Gain and Tide, guys. And then my sister, she always reminds me.
The one in the back.
Yeah. The one that's taught, the one that just talked. Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
It looked good to me. Look, that popped already.
Hi guys. I know.
So, mine is not ready yet. Now I need to go add more Gain. So my sister's gonna add more Gain. I always need a lot of it. But it doesn't overactivate it, it just goes to regular slime, guys. I love Gain. Comment down below what kind of Gain, what kind of activator do you use? Sorry. What kind of, yeah, activator do you use?
So I give me my slime.
Sorry about the background
silver that water bottle I just.
I need more game. Wow. Sorry guys, I really see a lot of things. It's like it's not even ready yet. And I went in with my hands. That's all of it. We didn't lose it. You lost it. Sorry guys, I'm talking on my phone.
Don't tell us.
I'm gonna add more clear glue. She's gonna add more clear glue. See, mine is coming together, guys.
What are you doing?
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We'll see. I'll see you guys when I'm finished done with my slime. So peace out. Okay, guys. So we just finished, and mine is sticky. So yeah. The next challenge we're gonna do is a blind pool challenge, but that's gonna be a separate, a separate video. Sorry, a separate, a separate video. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. So that's gonna be a separate video. That's gonna be the next video, guys. Just make sure you go check that out. So that's all. Okay, now we're gonna show you guys putting our slimes in a container. So you can show my slimes. Yeah, you can show them your slimes. Okay. My sister's gonna show you guys her slimes.
Yeah, because it's a
Sorry,
game.
guys.
It's a game.
Okay, guys. So show them your slimes.
Oh, well, you need to move. Oh, never mind. I don't need to move. Wait. I'm going to show my
No,
image
no, no.
really quick.
I'll put it up.
It does smell good in here.
So my first one is like clear slime. I just made it today. Today. Now I'm gonna wait for today's to clear out. I'm gonna take a little bit of that.
Just-
Sorry guys. She's on the floor.
Literally just drop my stuff. Like, for real. So while she's doing that, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my slime in it.
Oh, there it is. Next one.
I gotta be up by 12:30.
2:30?
Okay.
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 There you go. Now you go.
Okay,
Put
guys,
the slides in there.
so-
And then we'll get
so,
stuck together.
guys,
Look.
I just added random things to make it crunchy because I had no crunchy stuff to buy.
I got one bottle done. Now I just need to top my.
Okay, guys, I
That
just
was
finished
fast.
putting this.
No, I still need my
Now I'm just gonna hook.
I'm finally happy now. Thank you guys.
Sorry, guys. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a balloon in.
It may take forever to do it.
It's in there.
Hurry up. Okay, guys.
I used all my.
I'm gonna show you my favorite slime.
And then that will be the last one, right?
Yes.
That's gonna be the last one, guys. She still has to make, I think,
2 more.
yeah,
I
2
was
more.
trying to figure out what to do.
I had it.
Can you guys still make me stand so I can find like stuff for it?
It's the one we made, but it's a bigger version. I'm gonna take it out because it's so fluffy.
Well, we didn't like have shaving
I'm
cream.
gonna
but
watch YouTube
I
videos.
like the feeling. It's so soft and stretchy.
Alex, can you subscribe?
Yeah, subscribe.
Could you just sit in front?
Oh look, here it is. One of you guys had it.
So, sorry, guys. So, that's all for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, sir.
You can't even see the slimes when they're like this. You know, we need to put them like this, and one person has to do the slimes.
Peace out.
Oh, I got a good idea.